Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to delete cards in Trello. So for us to be able to begin, just head on to Trello.com first and log in onto your account. Then choose in the workspace and board that you want to work on. Now, you should be able to find in the different lists that you have onto your board and each card inside of it. Now, there is actually no specific way or an automatic way to go ahead and delete the cards in Trello. So you need to archive them first to go ahead and delete them permanently. And for us to be able to try the one first, let's try card one in here. As you can see, if you hover onto this, you should be able to find in this icon. Click onto that pencil icon and there should be an option for you to archive that card. So you could do the same thing onto the list in here. Click onto the three dots onto the upper part corner, and you'll just need to scroll down to find archive this list or archive all cards in this list. Now, once you do that, you should be able to find the archive list here onto the three dots onto the upper right corner of the screen and archive items. So you should be able to find in card one in here that we recently archived, and to permanently delete that card, just click onto delete and it will be permanently deleted onto your Trello account. So there is no undo for this one. Click onto delete and it should be permanently deleted onto your list or board on your Trello account. And that is just basically it, how to delete cards in Trello. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.